give me a call and we can discuss on the timing part, right? So it is completely, I do, one session in the morning, couple of sessions in the morning and one in the evening. So that is how it is, right? So timing thing, based on your time and my time, I do understand, you guys must be working in different time slots and all. So timing thing, we can, talk one-on-one. So if someone requires a fast track, we can do a little, few extra hours. The plan is for someone who wants it, in the morning, or someone who needs it in the evening. So we can discuss that thing. So usually what happens is, one of the batch has close to 2 or 3 people, not more than that. So 2-3 people, what we can do is, who require it in the same time slot, we, start schedule something and we get started on that. So that is how it is. Okay, Bhavin, you were asking something. Sorry, I think Santosh started asking a question. If you have a question, please do it again. Bhavin, you wanted to ask a question? No?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Bhavin, tell me.
Yeah. First session in Salesforce. Which day will be start? It is a Monday or it is Sunday?
So that is what I was saying. The timing thing, I think I'll have to, give you a call, because see, I will be starting 2 or 3 different timings. Okay.
Okay.
In next few days.
Okay.
So timing thing we will discuss, and based on that I'll tell you that which day we are starting that one, right?
Okay. Okay. Not an issue.
Like, I mean, today I'm talking to a few people. So in next 3-4 days I'm gonna start 2-3 different slots. So to your, as per your convenience, I will suggest you the slot, right? So maybe after this we can talk about the timing part, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
One thing that I'm starting, that is for sure, is at that will be from Wednesday. I'm just giving you some idea on what I'm actually going to start. From Wednesday, it is going to be one batch 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. So this is confirmed. Fine.
Okay.
And we have one in the 9 at 9:30 p.m. also, which is scheduled to be start. It is starting on Monday, possibly on Monday. So these 2 things are confirmed.
Okay. Okay. I think it is a Monday is a fine. Yeah, it is a Monday is a fine, because of my job timing is a 9:30 to 7:30.
So 9:30 p.m. will be fine, right?
Yeah, 9:30 is will fine.
Okay, so that is fine. So this is going to be weekday. This is also weekday.
In this coming Monday, na? This coming Monday.
Yeah, day after tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
That is one option, and we have one option in the morning. So for people who want morning, we can start from Wednesday 7:30. For people who want evening time, this 9:30 to 10:30.
Okay.
Is the time. 9:30 to 10:30 p.m.
Okay.
And this is all Indian time.
Okay.
Right. All right. So you guys can also, drop me your preference. I mean, what is the type of preference that you want? I am also planning to start one session next weekend. So that will be morning session again. Morning 7:30 to 11 kind of thing. So that is one thing. So people who want a weekend thing on mornings, that option is also available. Right. So any other questions anyone else has? Any comments, feedbacks? Usually, okay, Santosh has a good question. He says, if it is weekdays, then there will be no classes on weekend, right? Ideally, that's correct. If we are doing sessions on weekdays, there will be no classes on weekend. Ideally, that's correct. But I am not, I'm pretty much flexible with things, right? In case we are in a hurry, let's say there are 2-3 people and all of them are comfortable, and if I also have time availability, we can do sessions, all 7 days. I do not mind doing that. till the time we are available. So we just have to understand that it's going to be a flexible kind of approach that we will take, and we will be considerate towards other batchmates also. So let's say every one of us feels that okay, Saturday we are available, and gradually that thing will come. So everyone wants to attend it on Saturday, we all can attend on Saturday. If we feel that okay, we don't want to do it on Saturday, we will not do it. Next week, yes. Yeah, tell me.
Are these certifications necessary regarding job perspective?
Not necessary. At least in India, as of now, not mandatory. At least for now, because of two reasons. One, people understand, the companies do understand that a lot of people would not be interested in spending $200 for certification. So they do not want to lose out on the talent who have not invested on the certification. So they do not keep it mandatory thing. Second thing is, we all understand in India how certifications are done. So what happens is, because I have actually worked on this and I have been part of interviewing panel also for a long time. So we never used to put that condition of a certification because that was a little difficult thing. What happens is you start getting people, if you say that a certification is mandatory for interview and all, what happens, you start getting people applying for the job who have certification and they do not know anything, and people who know things and who do not have certification are left out. So for that reason, as of now, India certification is not mandatory. Few jobs have, but most of them do not ask for certification. US, yeah, it is must. In US, it is a must.
And like freshers, do they have opening after doing this in school? Is it
Yeah,
like
definitely.
only experienced people they get into a job, or is it like after doing this course even freshers can
Okay, so that's a good question again, that whether freshers have the job openings, or there are openings only for experienced people. So there are openings for fresher, right? That is one thing. We understand that there are openings for freshers, but we will also try and include some experience in our resume, and there is a tactical way of doing that. So we'll try and include some experience in our resumes also, wherever possible. For people for whom it's not possible, because see, if you're working in some company, if you have 1 or 2 years of experience or 3 years of experience, and if you are able to put some of your experience, you're working in that company, that's true, right? Big mistake that a lot of people do is they bring in a fake certificate. So you don't have to get a fake certificate. Show the certificate, employment certificate with the same company. But you can always say that, okay, out of these 3 years, 1.5 year I was working on Salesforce project, right? And there is no, harm in saying that. And in case you are able to, talk about the project, that is what, that is the reason why I asked you to do project in the training program. Once you are able to talk about the project in the, interview, no one can deny the fact that no one can deny that you never worked on Salesforce project. They have to accept, because they can never go to your company and ask that what project you were working on, what client you were working for and all. So that thing will not happen. So we will see, that is a big scope there. So if tactically we can put some experience, we'll do that so that you get some advantage out of it. If not possible, then as a fresher also you have openings, so that should not be a challenge. Right? All right. So any more questions from anyone else? Okay, so I'll just quickly check with each one of you. Santosh, anything from your side? You can just quickly type no in case you do not have anything. I just want to make sure that no one is left out. Santosh, fine with you? Okay, good, great. Mihir, no question. Krunal, Dinesh, how about you? Bhavin?
Yeah, Jeevan. Actually, I don't have any questions, and the session was really good.
And just give me 1 minute. Sukanya, Bhavin has a question. Okay. Yes, Bhavin. Please ask. But you're not able to speak, no? Achha, theek hai. I will unmute you. Sukanya, what about you? You have a question? Yes, Bhavin, tell me. Acha, Bhavin said no
Hello.
question. Okay. Fine.
No question.
Acha, your no came different and question came different. So I thought it's a question.
Typing and one call for that.
Okay, understood. So see how things get changed, right? If you do not have the proper spaces and all. Fine, no worries. So it was, as Dinesh was just saying, it was a good session. I mean, it was in fact a very good session. I also enjoyed doing the session with you all you guys. You all have been very patient, and I'm pretty thankful to you all. So I hope I was able to answer most of your queries. It should help you, take the first step into making a career into Salesforce. The only last thing that I would want to tell you before I conclude is, see, when we think of making a career into a technology, or when we're trying to jump into a technology, just don't think of it as a matter of joining a training program and then just completing the training, right? It needs a bit of effort. So the effort starts from the right kind of planning. So plan that this is what I need to do. Okay. So we need to, once we start the session, I'll help you into that planning sort of thing also. So you need to plan that, okay, this is a technology where I want to get into. This is the kind of role that I want to get into. By this time my course will be over. If you want to do a certification or not, that is a call that you have to take, though it is not mandatory. Some people have that feeling that I want to do certification. Do you plan to show experience in your resume or not? So all these things you need to start planning. Sometimes it happens, people start doing the training just thinking that, oh, Salesforce is very good in market. Salesforce is good in market, but we'll have to go in the right direction and at the right pace. So you'll have to plan everything. Fine. Then only it will be a successful move. Otherwise, so 4 years of engineering, whatever some of us might have done, that never helped us. So how can a 1 month or 2 month training program help? In case we are not focused, the focus is required. I'm not trying to demotivate any one of you. I'm just saying that plan with the right kind of positive attitude and focus, right? And for the rest of the things, direction and all, I'm there. So that thing you can just leave up to me. So alright, I think I took a lot of your time on Saturday. You guys might have set another plans also, right? So alright, then I think we are good for today, and we'll conclude it here. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. In case you have any questions, all of you have my number, right? So please feel free to give me a call and discuss. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you all. Bye.